on my property, look how far, and he stole my refrigerator. He must have thought the signs that says no trespassing and cameras on premises, smile, sheriff department, no trespassing, owners watching you, all those signs on that dumpster right there, that beige wooden area right there where he just grabs that refrigerator. So you know this guy? Well, somebody told me his name is George. I'm going to catch him. You don't go on somebody's private property and just take anything you want. This was going to be supposed to be picked up by a 24-year-old young man who's got Down syndrome and nobody will hire him so he can use it for scrap. And instead this guy stole it. It was raining the night I left there, and that young man was supposed to come and get it, and he is a latecomer and he had to come from a far way just to find out there's no fridge. So then I looked it up, and there he goes. He's taking my fridge. You don't do that to people. Looks like he prepared for coming to pick it up because he had a spot right there on the side with all that other scrap there perfectly on the side, so he had enough room. So he set it up and he knew what he was doing. I'm gonna get you. Looks like he took his license plate off too before he backed up. Well, it's an older truck. It's got those, I guess the protection for the windows, that little overhang, so when the windows are open and rain comes in. And then it looks like the truck has flares on it. It's two-tone, red and gray. Took him a total of 3 minutes to go in and out. Now he did it nice and smooth. He didn't want to rush because otherwise he'll look suspicious. But my friend, you are caught. PBSO is looking for you. Bye. My thief.